Hey guys, I'm back. This time I'm doing a little bit of a tutorial and review on this Meguiar's headlamp restoration kit that I bought. I'm actually going to be doing it on a 2007 Honda Fit. So as you can see, this headlamp on the driver's side is really foggy, really yellow. So I pretty much just cleaned it up from the grime. Used some Armor All glass cleaner just to get all the bugs, dirt, debris, any funkiness that was on the headlamp lens. So as you can see, I did a couple of passes with it, got as much grime off as I could. Then did a little bit of prep with some painter's tape, make sure that the chemicals don't drip onto the body paneling, whether the fender or the bumper. So prep is usually the best thing you can do. It'll set you up for the rest of the project. So take your time with this if you want to be meticulous and get it in every little nook and cranny and crease. In the long run, it'll actually work out better than not prepping at all or doing a sloppy job. So as you can see, I'm going pretty slow, just putting it all together. Did a little bit of a time lapse. Applicator in the kit, Meguiar's pad. Bowl of water just to dip the applicator in while you're sanding. And then I use this to clean off the lens before doing all this. So as you can see, I'm doing a couple of runs with the sanding pad. Pretty much in the directions it says just go in one direction with the 1000 grit, and then we'll switch it up in the next clip as far as the different grit. You'll see me go side to side, kind of just giving it a quick rub to pretty much fog it all up, get rid of any imperfections that are on the lens itself. As you can see, it's kind of clouding up. So in the Meguiar's kit, you get this Plastic X. You put a dime size or a nickel size actually on the little buffer that's provided. You can put it on any kind of drill. Mine's on my DeWalt. Nothing spectacular on it. Like I said, nickel size right in the middle. And then you start polishing your headlamp, and then you'll start seeing it clear up. Just don't forget, don't start spinning it. Apply it to the headlamp and then start the rotation of the drill. So you'll have chemicals all over the place. So in this portion, I'm just pretty much buffing in the chemical and then rubbing off at the end any excess material that was on the lens. All right guys, here's the last step of this after you've already polished it as many times as you need to make it clear. So it depends on how bad your headlamp is. But again, this Headlight restore kit from Meguiar's has worked out really well. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on this to get it done professionally, or however much it costs, I have no idea, but I ain't about to spend that much money on an older vehicle. So this headlight coating is the last step. It comes in the kit. There's the box. You get a little foam pad like this. You apply it, and then you kind of just do one motion. Don't go all crazy with it. Sometimes you're going to overlap, and you kind of go all the way through. So that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, I'm applying the last step. And there's some after shots of the headlamp, crystal clear as compared to the fogginess that was at the beginning. Definitely worth every penny. This Meguiar's headlamp restoration kit definitely is a good pickup if you are trying to look for a quick fix, but also a fix that will last. I think it said 1 year as far as its warranty wise, as far as how long it stays on there. Whether or not that's true, I know we're down here in Florida, so the heat probably and the humidity will probably oxidize these things worse, but it is what it is. But I'll just reapply this whenever I need it. But again, thumbs up to Meguiar's on this headlamp restoration kit. I've used a couple in the past, but this one has the best results thus far. So thank you, Meguiar's. And guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you later. See you.